Wildlife and Science Films here today. Well, I'm out here with my camera operator, and we've got the Blackmagic Micro Cinema Camera 4K G2 with us, and our particular lens set up here. We've got the screen assist, the video assist up here, big batteries on that, big battery down here too, powering the camera. And we're filming these giant bulldog ants. This is the nest here. These things really pack a punch of a bite. I'm just going to show you where the entrance is. Here, there's the entrance in there. We're keeping a healthy distance away from these ants. Soon they're going to come out en masse in the night time for sure. We have a little bit of a trick here, and that's this. We've got a LED torch here, and this is just to give us some supplementary lighting within the hole, so we can capture some shots actually within the hole in there, because it's really difficult. So we can just turn that on and we have a bit of extra light. I can see him sitting in the hole now. We might try and film that and get some footage. So this is a great camera. You can see it's pretty low light in here under the forest floor, around all over here. We've got bits of sunshine coming through there, but where we are here, there is no sunshine in here. So this I would call, you know, very low end of medium to low lighting sort of situation. We've also used the camera for filming frogs in the evening, again in the bush in total darkness. It's a fabulous camera, the Blackmagic Micro Cinema Camera 4K G2. All right, let's move on. Okay.